Hi guys, today in this short video, I will let you know how to disable or turn off Ezoic ads from your website. Ezoic has many ad format. Few of the ad format work better for the website and few of them doesn't work and it makes our website slow. So today I will let you know how we can disable those ad format from our website. So the first step that you need to do is to log into your Ezoic dashboard. Okay, and when you enter into the Ezoic dashboard, you will see a menu like home, Ezoic ads, leap, flickify, humix. Okay, so just click to Ezoic ads. Since I have two websites approved in Ezoic, so I will try to disable ads for my beingoptimist.com. So I will click on the top and select beingoptimist.com, and after entering into the beingoptimist.com dashboard, I will click again to Ezoic ads, and in the left column you will see ad type, ad configuration, ad campaign. Okay, so just click to add types, and after that in the right you will see that there are lots of ad format available. For me, universal floating video player is not working. It's making my website slow, so I will toggle off. Okay, that ad format, and done. And in this way you can disable ads in your website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching.